Over 1 lakh school students in Tripura started attending the neighborhood classes in open places while maintaining social distancing, said Tripura Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath. In view of the new normal adopted in the education system owing to the pandemic, the government of Tripura has started neighborhood classes for students who do not have mobile phones or television sets at their homes. Here's a report.
The Tripura government has started neighborhood classes in open places maintaining social distancing for students who do not have television sets or mobile phones, said the state's Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath on Friday, August 21st. He claimed that on its first day, a total of 1,258 students attended the neighborhood classes in Tripura, and under this newly introduced system, a teacher will teach a maximum of 5 students by strictly maintaining social distancing. Every student must carry a mask and sanitize hands before and after classes. Students from class 3 to class 12 participated in the neighborhood classes in the school ground or in an open space near the educational institution, the minister said. According to Nath, out of 3,28,000 students, around 94,000 students were deprived from various modes of online classes or through cable TV, assumingly mainly as their families could not provide them with smartphone or net or cable connection, and so the government decided to conduct neighborhood classes for them. However, no student can be compelled to attend these classes if the student's parents do not want. Nath also informed that the state government has decided to reduce the syllabus for the students owing to the pandemic situation and lockdown. Meantime, the students and teachers taking part in the neighborhood classes expressed their satisfaction over it. Students expressed that in the virtual classes, many of their problems were not solved. Therefore, neighborhood classes give them the opportunity to directly interact with the teachers and resolve their problems, while many others also expressed that they do not have individual smartphone for the classes. While the teacher also viewed that the response is comparatively less at present and only a small section of students are turning out for the classes. It may be mentioned that to keep students connected with academic activities during the COVID-19 pandemic, Tripura Education Department did start neighborhood classes across the state on August 20. Bureau Report.